Whoa, look! Oh, wow, some farm animals. Ooh, a cow. Moo. Ooh, another cow. Moo. Ooh, a pig. Oink, 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 oink. Ooh, and what else do we have over here? Oh, a horsey. Neigh, neigh. Ooh. Whoa, look at this. It's a body. Interesting, like my body. Like, yeah, I have a body. Like my abs, my chest, my back. Interesting. And in this video, you and I are gonna learn about the parts of our bodies. Wow. All right, let's go see what kind of parts we can find for this body. Come on. Whoa! Whoa, a ball pit! Whee! Oh, wait a second. Look over here. Come here. Look at what I found. Whoa. See these? These are arms. Arms and hands. Yeah, just like what you and I have. Whoa! All right, so let's take these arms and hands and put them on our body. I love my arms and hands because it helps me pick things up like this blue ball and throw it at you. Whoa! Or this red one. Whoa! Or this yellow one. Oh! I did that with using my hands and my arms to throw the ball. All right, watch what else I can do with my arms and hands. Whoa! Whoa! I love my arms and hands. All right, let's see what other body parts we can find. Whee! Look at this red train. Here we go. Ah!